Hey guys, what's going on? Troy and Mountain Man Treasure here. I'm done with work. It's the middle of the day, and I haven't been to this thrift store for a couple months. Figure, might as well go in, see if we can find something.
Mountain Man Treasures.
Aftermarket. DSKs. I see a DS there, but probably too much. You gotta put the Beanie Babies in a case. Nice. This place is mostly so overpriced. Look at this. This is a good find for computers. That's right, but as is 75 bucks. It might be worth that much. I don't know what that is. How much are they gonna charge for this? $65. I like picking up car stereos. I don't like picking them up for $50 or frankly even $10. What's this guy? $25. No. Jensen. I don't really want to sift through these today, but they can be good. You just got to look them all up. I do need a set of AV cables. There we go. Kirby's can be good. $75. You wonder why there are so many still sitting here. 55, 35. It's crazy. 55 bucks for a thrift store vacuum. $20. All right, so far we've got AV cable that I need to put with VCR that I got recently, and these are actually pretty good. Nike Zoom Rise, good shape. 12 bucks, and probably about $45 use. So a little bit of profit there. Sometimes these can be good, guys. You gotta find the right ones. I don't think these are fantastic, this brand, but vintage Christmas tree stands, believe it or not, can be pretty good. Even this one might be 15 or 20 bucks. I just don't want to fiddle with it, but sometimes they can be all right. This might be very good. It's 9 bucks, which is way too high, but fiber optic Christmas angels, they can be 40, 50 bucks or more. question is if it actually works. Well, sadly, the fiber optics don't work. It's too bad. That could have been a good find.
That's a nice one though, like it's a double one. You can do it either way. Where they face you or to where they face opposite.
Nice jacket, but $20. I feel like that might be what it's worth. Every once in a while I can find some jerseys here that are just barely worth it. Cardinals are good this year. $5 though. Worth $5? Maybe. There's an old one. What a sweet shirt on a Lee tag. Double X. There you go, 99. Oh, I might grab that. Okay, guys, we are back at the house. Let's take a look at what we got here. This first one, the Arizona Cardinals t-shirt. Just a cool pattern for a t-shirt, I thought. You know, you got the extra material there before the sleeve. It's a cool look here. And it is a good size. It's an XL. And what I liked, I mean, one, the Cardinals are an exciting team, a good team this year. But on the back, it's also got a graphic. So, I don't know. I think this is a cool shirt. I mean, ideally, I wouldn't want to pay $5 for it. Definitely going to cut down on our profit, but I think we're going to be able to sell this shirt. This is a $20 or $25 shirt, I think. I haven't looked it up yet. I don't know. But this one's super cool. Old Miami Dolphins 1999 limited edition. Just such a neat graphic. I had to pick this one up. Again, $5 on this one, but it's a double X. So a fantastic size, vintage, rare shirt. This could be a $30 shirt or more. I've got to look that up. So I'm not sure, but I think this one is a big winner. I like it a lot. And then we do have the AV cables. I got a Blue Line VCR the other day at Goodwill, but it didn't have any cables. And I don't know. I have some somewhere. Just couldn't find them. So I figured for $1, I'm going to go to the store and buy another set. So I got that. That will allow me to list that VCR. We'll make some good money on that. These, I said in the store, probably $40 or $45 shoes. These are relatively new shoes. If you don't know Nikes, here's how you can tell that. If we look in here, let's see if we can get it to focus here. There you go. These were made 5/23/19. That's the date down there. You can see that. And then above that, there's it's a 6-digit number and then a dash and a 3-digit number. What that is, the 6-digit number is the type of shoe it is, right? And then that 3-digit on the end is like the colorway and the pattern. So that's how you look up Nike shoes. They're in really nice shape. I mean, there's not much wear at all on the bottom here. So we're looking at $40 or $45 plus shipping. And then the last thing that we picked up, and this is what we spent the most on, we spent $25 on it. They obviously looked it up, and they're right. It's rare, and this is what it is. I've done well with models and that sort of thing in the past. What this is an old Russian or really a Soviet transport truck, the MA3 7310. It's got high clearance. It could run in the snow. I think there's a picture of it on the back. You could probably see it. They've got, I don't know why they got saran wrap around the thing, but that's what it looks like. These things are worth probably about 50 or 60 bucks. So we're not going to make a ton off of this, but they are relatively rare. It looks to be in very nice shape, and so we'll make some good money on it, and it'll be easy to ship. We spent $48 all told on all of our stuff here, $5 a piece on the shirts, $25 here. I think that was $1, and $12 here. So we're going to make our money back off of this, straight away. And then the shirts are going to be profit, and the shoes. So a pretty good haul, right? I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, once again, no home runs, but considering the prices in that place, I think I showed you a few of them. So much stuff in there is so overpriced. You got to really look and decide what you want to pay up for, because you're going to pay up for pretty much everything in there. So that is the thrift trip portion of the video. But before I let you go, I do want to fill you in on something that we're working on here on the channel. I mentioned it in yesterday's video. We're working to put together something for Toys for Tots. I think we're going to do a hashtag for this, and it makes sense. Hashtag resellers for tots, right? I think that's not bad. Here, just in town, I talked with the gentleman that runs it. He organizes the thing. He's been doing it for almost a decade now here in town. And we live in a pretty small community, but they serve a 3-county area. Last year, just in our area, I think I said 15,000 on the video yesterday. It was 13,000 toys they handed out last year, helping somewhere in the neighborhood of between 400 and 500 families. It's something that is really neat. A little bit later, maybe next week, I'm going to play for you part of a conversation I had with a Marine sergeant who I found out during our conversation. This was on my radio show. She actually was a recipient of the Toys for Tots program when she was a kid. Family didn't have a lot of money and was in a tough spot, and they went to Toys for Tots and then had Christmas. It wasn't just a day of, as she said, standing around the tree kind of looking at each other. They had toys under the tree for Christmas. And what's really cool is she said that was such a powerful thing in her life, that she saw the Marines. This is a Marine Corps thing. They've been partnered with them since the very beginning. She saw the Marines as, wow, look at the good that they can do. I want to be a part of that. She is now a United States Marine Corps sergeant, and now helping again with Toys for Tots after, as a kid, getting some toys from that program. It's such a cool circle that she's made there. And I just think it's such a neat program. Gambit, you've seen him on the channel, in the chat, in the comments. He contacted me and said, hey, is this something you would like to do? I'd love to do something with you for Toys for Tots. And wrote him back and said, hey, you know what? I'm already working on that. So it worked out perfectly. We're contacting some other resellers. Here's what we're doing. I want to make it as easy as humanly possible to participate in this. So you've got lots of different options. One, you can send me some toys. If you've got toys in your inventory that are stale, or that you want to, just donate for whatever reason, you can send those to me. My address is down below in the description. We're going to put it up right here as well. You can send those to me. Just send me toys. You could always get online and buy from another reseller if you want. Support another reseller, and then have the address changed to my address, my P.O. box, have it sent there. I will collect all of these toys. We'll hang on to them and make one big delivery at the end. The other thing you can do, you can send to that same P.O. box. You can send cash. You can send a check. I'll do either one of those. Or if you want, contact me, and you can send me money in PayPal. We'll just do family and friends. That way there's no fees taken out. Everything goes. We'll keep a running total. And that way we can see, how many toys, how much money we've collected. But this is not just about helping out my Toys for Tots program. It's about helping out Toys for Tots. Talking with Howard, the gentleman that runs it here, they're estimating between a 30 and 40% bump in need just because of the pandemic and the situation that people are in. It's going to be tougher this year. A lot more people are going to need it. And so you can imagine they're trying to figure out, how do we get all these toys? Well, we come across so many of them doing what we do. It just seems natural that we help. So if you're in your community and think, I want to donate to kids in my area, beautiful. I mean, that's we're just helping kids. It doesn't matter to me where they are. Here is great because we can do one big thing. But if you want to help out families and kiddos where you are, that's fantastic. Let me know, because I want to add, if you dropped off a toy, 3 toys, 5 toys, whatever it is, let me know, because I want to add that to our total, and I want to let everybody know how that's going. I think this is something that we can do. We can make a real impact. When I was a kid, my family got in a position where my dad wasn't able to work anymore, and had to step aside from his job. And this was not a Toys for Tots thing, but we were it was the same situation. It was one of those, I don't know if there's going to be a Christmas, in terms of how kids see it, right? I know my parents were going through that conversation and through that struggle. And it, like I said, it didn't come from Toys for Tots, but some strangers helped us out. Showed up one day with boxes of presents for each of us, for the 3 kids, food, like literally, Christmas meal. I remember that to this day, guys. This was a long time ago, and I still remember it. And to be honest, I often get emotional about it for various reasons. But the point remains, I remember it still to this day. It had that big of an impact on me, and I know it had an impact on my folks. Being a parent now, I recognize how important that is for a parent to be able to feel like, I can give to my kids. I can provide this experience, this holiday for them. I know that's not all of what Christmas is about, right? But it's a big deal for the kids. And so when parents are able to reach out and ask for help and then get assistance through a program like Toys for Tots, just the sigh of relief and the look on their faces, it's something pretty incredible. And so I'm asking you for your help. We're starting the thing here. I'm pulling a whole bunch of our Hot Wheels. I'm going to put those in a box, and that's going to be stocking stuffers for a whole bunch of kids. I'm really excited about that. And so again, send a toy, send a cash, send a check, donate where you're at. I think this is something that we can get behind. I think this is something where we can make a difference. So if you have any questions, again, my contact information is down below. Send that to me, and I'll do whatever I can to make it so you can help us out with this thing. Now, at least locally, our distribution day is December 19th, so I am going to put an end date on this in order to make sure that we get stuff to them in time. So we'll probably do it like the week before that, call it, December 11th, 12th, right in that area that weekend. That way we get everything, and I can get it to the Marines, and they can get it to kids for Christmas. So that's what we're doing. We're helping out Toys for Tots. I think it's going to be a great thing, and I'm so excited to be able to be a part of it, and I'm so excited that I've got subscribers like I do. You guys have jumped in with both feet to help out with the stuff that we've done in the past. I know you're going to do it again, and I can't wait to see the results. I think it's going to be so cool. So that's what I've got for you guys today. Thanks once again. Any questions, comment down below or send me a message. Contact me through Instagram or through email, whatever, and we will hook you up with what you need. Thanks for stopping, guys. We're going to cut it off. We'll see you next time.